Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. One of my favorite thing, tea masala. If you are wondering what tea masala is made of, it's a blend of spices that gives your tea a unique flavor and aroma. Now which masala is good for tea? Well, it's really depend on your personal preference. Some popular spices included ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and black pepper. You can experiment with different combination to find the perfect blend of you. So guys, I am going to share with you a secret recipe on how to make the perfect tea for your restaurant and hotel style. So guys, first take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of each of cardamom and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of clove, 4 black cardamom pods and star anise, nutmeg, 4 cinnamon sticks and some tulsi seeds. So guys, roast them for 2 to 3 minutes and let them cool down, then grind them into a fine powder. So guys, our masala is ready. Now let's make the tea. Take some water pot and add tea leaves. Let it boil for a few minutes. Then add milk and let it boil again. And sugar according to your taste and let it dissolve. Now it's time to add our homemade masala. Let the tea boil for a few more minutes so that all the flavors blend together, and there you have it, your very own homemade tea masala. It's perfect for those cold winter evening, or when you just need a little pick me up during the day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So guys, thanks for turning it to my video, and I appreciate all the support and feedback you have given me so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know the comment what you want to see in the my next video. I want to make sure that I am creating content that you find valuable and informative, whether it's a tutorial, review and just fun blog. I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy and let me know what you are interested in. And if you have already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to so you don't miss out on any of my future video. I am committed to bring you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching and supporting to my channel. Let's keep the conversation going and create some awesome content together. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.